it's Jumoke. Thank you so much for taking the Motivational Gifts quiz. So maybe you're here and you just wanted to learn more about yourself, but you're like, what in the world are motivational gifts? So motivational gifts are the gifts that are defined in Romans 12:6-8, and they are basically the gifts that motivate us to do God's will on earth. So a lot of people are really confused when it comes to motivational gifts or spiritual gifts in general. They fall under the umbrella of spiritual gifts. And it's really important to know your motivational gifts because it will help narrow down your specific callings on earth, which will then allow you to discover your purpose. I remember where I was before I got saved, and I had no idea why I was on this earth. I had no idea the gifts that God had given me already, because motivational gifts come without repentance or calling. So everybody on earth has minimum 2 motivational gifts. I've seen on average most people have 3, but everyone has minimum 2 gifts. So you may be here be like, I see everyone else and they're so talented and they're doing this and they're doing that. It's very obvious what their gifts are, but I have no idea for myself. And I think even in the Christian community, we've understood this very one-dimensionally. I've seen it, motivational gifts get taught very one-dimensionally just because everyone has a certain archetype in their mind of what a specific motivational gift looks like. But motivational gifts are so much more diverse than that. And there are 7 motivational gifts, but there are different nuances in between each of them. So the 7 motivational gifts are administration, mercy, giving, prophecy, serving, exhortation, and teaching. Those are the 7 motivational gifts, not in any particular order, but there are different ways that people do each. So not everyone administers or leads the same. Not everyone gives mercy the same way. Not everyone looks like a certain archetype of that. Not everyone encourages or exhorts the same way. Not everyone teaches the same way. You understand? So we have to understand the depth of motivational gift and see how it relates to us so that it will begin to help us understand, oh, that's why I have a certain grievance when I see this happens, or maybe this is the reason why this gives me joy. When I talk about this or when I do this, I feel joyful when I do that. And that would help you to understand your unique callings, that you're maybe called to do something related to your motivational gift. A lot of times the things that we are called to do are tied to our motivational gifts. So the things that you're drawing to and you're like, I kind of like teaching this, or I kind of like leading or organizing, or I like, really being in tune with other people. I like to give, I like this. It's really important so that you will really know that, oh, okay, God put something unique in me, that I have something to offer the world. So that's the reason why I think it's very important to understand your motivational gifts. And hopefully this quiz will help you to understand on a surface level, like, okay, so where am I? What are my motivational gifts? And if you are interested in learning more about motivational gifts after you've taken this quiz and you want to really see like, oh, that's me? I'm really interested. Then make sure that you take the course, you take the motivational gifts course. It's all linked at the end. And I just want to thank you so much for just taking this quiz, taking the time to understand your own motivational gifts. And I really hope it helps you. And I'll talk to you guys later.